This video is a quick rundown on how to navigate and use the SteelSeries Arctis Nova Pro base station or GameDAC OLED screen. If you haven't seen our unboxing and setup video, make sure to check that out first to see how to set up your new Arctis Nova Pro. The base station allows you to easily change the sound profile of your headset without using software. We'll start with the basics before we get into the nitty-gritty. When you first receive your headset, you'll be shown the main volume screen. To navigate to the main menu, press and hold the control wheel. Throughout the menu, pressing the control wheel button will allow you to select. If you want to go back, you can press the secondary button to the left of the wheel. If you turn the wheel, you can go left to right inside the menu and adjust settings up or down, including your volume. If you don't want to reach for the base station, the Nova Pro Wireless can also go through the menu by pressing the volume and power buttons down. The first option in the menu is the USB input. Here, you can switch between different devices connected to the GameDAC, such as your console or PC. If you want to see a full guide on multi-system connects, watch our video here. Next are the audio options. This is where it gets fun. The first thing you will see is the equalizer, which comes with presets or the option to customize a 10-band EQ to your liking. After you set your EQ, you can edit your gain, which changes the maximum output level of your GameDAC. And although you can turn your ANC on and off with the power button on the wireless version, you're also able to do it through the DAC. We know people get a little heated during games, which is why we have a feature called Side Tone. Side Tone will allow you to hear your own voice through your headphones so you don't end up with an angry neighbor. Lastly is the mic volume tab that lets you optimize the level of your microphone to your liking. Here, you can repair your headset to the base station or adjust your Bluetooth settings with options such as having your Bluetooth on or the headset muted every time you power on the headset. You can also clear your Bluetooth paired devices here. Next in the menu is Line Out. This acts similar to the USB input, but for devices connected to your line-out jack, either speakers or even a stream mixer, so you can mix your main, aux, and mic to a streaming PC. You can adjust each input's audio here. Lastly are the display settings, where you can change things like the brightness, dimming your screen when you're not using it, your mic LED brightness, auto turning off your headset when not in use, and to see the tutorial inside of the OLED. If you haven't had enough customization and want to take your Arctis Nova audio settings to the next level and to have the ability to use the chat mix feature inside of your GameDAC, download our GG Suite and navigate to our new audio software, Sonar, at trysonar.gg. If you have any questions, head over to our FAQ page or open a support ticket on the SteelSeries website. Now, go catch some dubs!